Hi guys, if you watched my last video, I actually talked about Neolife Amidone as a weight management supplement, a natural weight management supplement. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about another Neolife product that is also a weight management product. And this time around, it's a simple Neolife tea. Why is Neolife tea a good natural weight management or weight loss tea? We're going to look at the components of the Neolife tea. What is it inside this Neolife that is good, or what is it inside Neolife that can actually help you lose weight if you have a challenge with weight? In my last video, I talked about how obesity, the amount of people that are obese in today's world, according to statistics, is so high. And we know that obesity is the cause of a lot of problems, even including heart disease, heart failure, and other kind of metabolic diseases. So managing your weight is part of the preventive measures to live a healthy lifestyle. So let's go see what is inside Neolife tea that makes it a good natural weight management supplement. So here am I on my Neolife back office, and this here is the Neolife tea. So let us find out what exactly is the components of this Neolife tea. If you go to facts, you can actually tells you what is inside the Neolife tea and all the ingredients that you have there and what these ingredients do to your body. As you can see here, it can boost energy, but that is not what I'm particularly interested in. I want to find out, what does Neolife tea have that makes it a good weight management supplement? And I'm particularly interested in two things that I've noticed that is part of the components of the Neolife tea. Is this that is called Camellia sinensis. What is this Camellia sinensis? If you go to here where you have the nutritional information of the contents here, I had to expand it a little so that you can see it. If I bring it here, it's too tiny, you might not be able to read it well. So I had to expand it. Look at this place. It's called Camellia sinensis extract. This extract is a combination of green tea extract, black tea extract, and white tea extract. Now, what does these components do in terms of weight loss, in terms of weight management? According to research, there's this research on Camellia sinensis and obesity. Before I go into what the research actually talks about, let me do a little bit explanation here. There is something called adipogenesis that takes place in our bodies. Adipogenesis is simply a process where fatty cells that are called adipocytes develop and accumulate as adipose tissue at various sites in your body. And they normally accumulate as what is called subcutaneous fat. Subcutaneous fat is the deepest part of your skin, that is fat under your skin. So this process of accumulation of fat under your skin is what is known as adipogenesis. And this process involves series of pathways. So this is where this Camellia sinensis comes in. This has been known to reduce what is called body mass index. A body mass index is essentially your body weight divided by your height in squares. So these extracts have been shown in research to be able to reduce this BMI, body mass index. So that is why you find out that I was quite excited when I saw it here as one of the components of the Neolife tea, the green tea, black tea extract. Just this green tea extract alone has a very powerful effect on breaking down adipose tissue. According to Healthline, this green tea contains a substance called EGCG. If we go back there, you actually see that it contains that substance. Let us go back to the fast facts of this substance contained in the green tea. If you come here, you see it right there. Standardized green tea. See it there. Let me expand it a little. Standardized green tea extract that has active EGCG. EGCG is a short form that stands for this particular thing here. It's a long thing. I don't want to, it's too long to be able to name it. Epigallocatechin 3-gallate. That's what it stands for. But that is not your concern. Your concern is to know that this substance plays a very important role in breaking down fat cells. This is Healthline. So it has been shown that this substance is so important when it comes to breaking down fat cells. Again, the Neolife tea contains caffeine powder, as you can see it here. It contains caffeine powder. Now, let me explain to you how this works together with this Camellia sinensis, that is this green tea extracts, to be able to regulate your weight, and why the Neolife tea is a very good weight management supplement. Now, you find out that in your body, there is a hormone called norepinephrine hormone. Now, this hormone is responsible for breaking down fat and releasing it into your bloodstream to be used as energy, which is actually what I explained in my former video. This energy is used to build muscle tissue. But the problem is that there is another enzyme in our bodies that does not allow this hormone to work very well. It breaks down these hormones. There's a particular enzyme. It breaks down these hormones. So, what does this do? This EGCG, together with caffeine, they have been found in research to be able to stop that enzyme, inhibit that enzyme that breaks down this norepinephrine hormone. What does that mean? It simply means that if that enzyme is inhibited, then you have more of this. You have more of this norepinephrine in the bloodstream. Therefore, you have more breakdown of fat. You see how it goes? So, caffeine and this that is present in Neolife tea inhibits an enzyme that affects this. And because of that, there is more of this in the bloodstream, and therefore there is more breaking down of fat to be released into your bloodstream for use as energy by cells like muscle cells. Are you beginning to see what makes Neolife tea a wonderful weight management supplement? Apart from it being a weight management supplement, it has other things. Like it has something like this herbal blend. It includes standardized extracts of all this that promotes mental alertness and well-being. Who doesn't want to be mentally alert? Who doesn't want to be well? And it's also lemon flavored. So this tea is packed full of so many things that is of health benefit, especially if you're trying to fight your weight. What's better thing to take than a natural supplement that contains natural herbs, natural things that can actually fight the weight from the root to be able to help in weight management. So now you know why Neolife tea is a good supplement for weight management. Now you have you can now make an informed decision whether to take the tea or whether to recommend the tea to other people to take it as a natural way of weight loss or a natural way of managing your weight. If you want to become a Neolife distributor, of course, I have the link below this video from wherever you're watching from. And as a distributor, you can buy such supplements at a very, very good discount. That is if you're interested. So thank you so much for watching. Till my next video.